guys, we're coming to you with some all-new product for the Defender HD11. Check it out. So the Defender HD11, especially the limited cab models, super nice. I mean, the new interior upgrades, having full doors, heated, cooled cab, it just doesn't get much better than that. But we need to get some serious protection for these doors, which are incredibly expensive to replace, especially when you get a little bit too close to that tree or some brush on the trail and really get into the side of the vehicle. So right here we have our ELITE Nerf Rails, made specifically for the Defender HD11. They provide just enough coverage out here to still give you a great step up on the vehicle, but also protect these doors. So rubbing up against a tree or anything out there on the trail, this is going to keep all that brush and trail rocks, that sort of thing, everything off of these doors, keep them well protected. It keeps your side plastics well protected and wraps underneath the vehicle with a steel plate that acts as a skid plate here to really help protect on the bottom, on the sides. We've got you covered from all angles here. Still has a great step up to be able to get in the cab, get up to a roof rack, and even wraps inside, giving you that full protection all the way around. And of course, custom color is an option to really match or accent your ride. These look great black, but add that pop of color, really sets it off and makes the unit your own. So check them out, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you. We'll see you on the trail.